Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp in oven. Pat shrimp dry and toss in oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. Arrange shrimp on a single sheet pan so they are not crowded, then roast at 425 degrees F for about 6 to 8 minutes until opaque and slightly curled. Finish with lemon juice and fresh herbs, serve immediately, and enjoy a simple, reliable method for perfect oven shrimp every time. Warm and conversational, here are seasoning tips that actually make shrimp sing in the oven. Toss shrimp with olive oil, minced garlic, lemon zest, salt, and a touch of red pepper flakes if you like heat. Let seasoned shrimp sit briefly while the oven preheats to help flavors cling. After roasting, brighten the dish with chopped parsley and lemon, then taste and adjust salt for a balanced, simple plate. Shepherding shrimp through the oven is mostly about timing and heat control, and these tricks will keep them tender. Preheat the oven and use a hot sheet pan so shrimp start to sear instead of steam. Watch for the color change to opaque and a light curl. Remove the shrimp right away to avoid rubberiness. Rest briefly, then serve warm with a sauce or salad for an easy, satisfying meal that feels impressive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.